skills you require in your real estate agent career. 5. Industry knowledge and experience. Odds are, you'll be working with customers who are ignorant regarding the means associated with purchasing a home. Help them sort out everything by offering practical help to transform a tiresome process into an easy, wonderful, and comfortable experience. As a realtor, you can establish a reputation as a credible source of information by creating your own website or even YouTube channel with the likes of Ryan Serhant and Graham Stephan as examples. Upload informative content including new listings, showcase the community around the area and give free tips to new buyers on your site or on your channel. Make sure to post regular market updates. And write engaging blog posts about the local lifestyle. Leaving your imprint, as a reliable and consistent source of relevant information will build your reputation as a real estate agent with a firm grasp of what's happening on the ground. You should also acquire as much expert experience as knowledge is not enough. In the long term, your persistent effort will pay off. You will also be better prepared to innovate and think outside of the box to ensure client satisfaction. 4. Confidence and negotiation skills. As a realtor, you be involved more with clients rather than the property they want to sell or buy. You should know your customers. Get to understand what it is they want, and observe their specific tastes and needs. This could range from a specific color scheme, marble floors, wooden floor, high ceilings just to name a few. Ask questions, allow them to express themselves, listen, and be upfront. By doing so, it helps develop a sense of trust between you and your client. Be patient and steadfast, especially when you negotiate. Finding the best deal can become a point of contention between buyer and seller. Utilize your social media presence we talked about previously. Ranging from YouTube, Instagram and your own website, by displaying how effective you are as a communicator and negotiator. Commit a page about your identity, achievements in your profession, and why you are the best realtor or specialist around. You can also create separate pages, one dedicated to your recently sold properties and the other to client testimonials. Your recently sold page will speak of your experience, while your testimonials page will let your clients speak about how you helped them achieve their real estate goal. 3. Specialize. There are sub-niches in real estate. Not all real estate is equal. Purchasing extravagant properties and waterfront homes, for instance, is more difficult than normal residential real estate like single-family homes and condo units. These properties require a greater degree of attention and effort. Extravagant homes involve bigger home loans that some loaning offices are hesitant to offer. Along these lines, extravagant homeowners are often in no hurry to sell their property, so you need to wait patiently for the right buyer. Are you prepared to deal with these specialized clients? Buyers may want to buy condos or waterfront homes to rent, resell, develop, lease out. These types of clients have a distinct set of expectations of their own as well. Zeroing in on specific kinds of properties will help you develop your image as a real estate professional. Your site is a magnificent way to feature your distinct expertise. Take Enes Yilmazer as an example. The YouTuber real estate agent only showcases luxury homes. As for you, you could maximize your site's potential by featuring detailed guides on navigating the buying process for luxury or waterfront properties, for example. If you have access to Pocket or exclusive listings, add a link or sign-up field as well where interested buyers can subscribe to your special updates or newsletters. 2. Local area knowledge. Benefit as much as possible from your personal knowledge and experience with your local area community, town or city, and state. Utilize your neighborhood area information to associate with your customers on a deeper, more personal level. From distinguishing appropriate areas, to focusing on favored school zones, to discovering houses near the best neighborhood attractions and destinations, your knowledge on the issue makes you a better resource for your area. Your website is the ideal platform to showcase your local knowledge. By providing detailed neighborhood descriptions, up-to-date real estate market reports, and interesting local blog topics, your clients can be at ease knowing that they are working with a knowledgeable hometown professional. 1. A professional network. As somebody from the local area, you must capitalize on the connections that you make with fellow professionals in the area. Consider your clients' home buying needs. If you can recommend your city's most reliable and accommodating lenders, home inspectors, interior designers, and other contractors, you'll spare them the hassle of searching on their own. You can add a concierge services page on your website to show current and prospective clients that you have the network to make their relocation, or home buying and selling experience a lot easier. Having strong connections around your community can also lead to special opportunities such as exclusive or private listings. These often happen in luxury communities where some sellers prefer to keep a low profile. Being able to present these exclusive options to interested clients can go a long way in creating an excellent lasting impression.